Hey internet, in the post tab I've got quizzes. So as you can see, I post quizzes for the made up tutorials. So before watching the video, maybe you want to try the quiz before watching the video. And if you are stuck, you can watch the video. So right now I'm on my account. So if I go to post tab, you'll see the answers, as you can see. Alright, but if you go to the post tab, there will be quizzes for you. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.